put a little morsel in there and it explodes into all this that feeds people, sustains people, both physically and mentally.
It's just to see all these people come together and helping each other.
Just on Friday we sent about 35 pounds of product just to the food bank. So it's very satisfying to do that.
All of the hard work that our gardeners do, all of the love and dedication that they put into making this garden the success it is truly amazing what can happen when a community pulls together.
That's that we are able to provide fresh fruits and vegetables to people in need. And when we take it to the food banks, even the people that run the food bank are just overwhelmed at the quality and the amount that we give them.
A thriving, vibrant, and soothing place. This garden lovingly supports Whitby Baptist Food Bank, and it also nourishes our hearts and souls.
It's a place of sharing, of kindness, love, and giving. In pre-COVID years, our philosophy was help a little, take a little. So anybody could come into the garden and just help a little bit and help themselves. And that worked wonderfully with very, very little, no vandalism, very, very little disrespect of the garden. So for me, it's the relationships, it's the people.
We live in a unique community here down in Oshawa that is currently going through a lot of challenges when it comes to food security, especially healthy options. This helps to provide a lot of fresh produce rather than the canned traditional options you find in a food bank.
And the garden's wonderful, the birds singing and the people chatting, and neighborly members.
Magical because it actually transformed me. It's good for my social experience. The garden is family away from my family here. You know, we come here to socialize, grow vegetables, and just chat. It's a really good place to relax after a hard day of work. When you think about mental health and well-being, I think this is the place for me to come. I don't have to go anywhere. When I come here, I see people, I see the garden, and that is very therapeutic for me.
And also it's really quiet. I enjoy being here. It's peaceful. I love hearing the birds. We have bunny rabbits, and I have a friend chipmunk that likes running over my feet. So it's beautiful here.
And it just shows nature at its best, what we can do if we put in a little work, a little effort, and we work the land and respect Mother Nature, and we have this magical place. And it's been really good for us, good for the community, provides lots of food. There's some, as people know, food insecurity, especially in these difficult times.
Wonderful, and the diversity of wildlife and the depth of the soil conditioning has just been amazing, as well as the community nature and just how we've developed a real community of gardeners here who are very supportive of one another and love gardening.
For me, it's just a place of calm and peaceful solitude. Even though the traffic is going by, it is a very calming place when you come here. There's a lot of wildlife, and I think that's what I really appreciate, is the diversity of life you find here compared to what was here before. It was a vacant lot, and we started with a few little plots, and it's grown into not a huge space, but a very productive space. I guess the satisfaction for me too is that we donate the produce to seniors that are just close by, and we're able to supply them with a nice amount of vegetables, fresh produce through the summer that they really do appreciate.
We have 83 gardeners here. They're all different types of people from all different countries, all different backgrounds. Yet when they walk into this garden, into this space, they're suddenly transformed into a group of friends, almost like a family. This is like a community in here. People get on together, people talk, people socialize. A little more difficult at this time, but generally speaking, that's what it is. And it's truly a magical experience to feel that, to see that, and be part of that as we go forward.